shoes.
It's calling me, like the rainbow, like the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow, the rainbow.
Good morning, folks. It is an early one this morning, actually. What time is it? It's currently 4:26 a.m. and I'm about to go hiking on a trail called Trilha Morro de Rapa. And this is actually the same hiking trail that I talked about in a previous video that I ended up not doing.
Right behind me, right there, is the sign. On the map, it didn't look like it was very long, but this sign is saying it's an hour and a half.
And then the trail actually will take me to a beach called Praia Brava. So I'm gonna enjoy the hike, going to enjoy the beach, and then just see what else comes my way today. Look who decided to make it.
Of course. I'm an early bird.
Jorge made it too, he's up and at 'em. Look at him, oh well. 4:30.
Tengo mucho sueño.
We just got parked, but I am a little bit worried about how much I'm going to be able to see with the camera because it is dark out here. I only have the street lamps illuminating my face right now, but we'll see. The start of the trailhead is approximately 1 minute walking away, so we're about to be there. We made it, Trilha Morro de Rapa. We're having to use our phone lights to walk around because there's a lot of bumps in the trail, rocks, etc. As you can imagine. Without it, I just don't see anything. Wow, okay, scary. There's a witch that lives here. Ooh, her name's Pauli.
Hey!
Light is finally breaking. Dawn is breaking. Not having to use the flashlight on the phone anymore. This is wild how hot it is here, but I guess I shouldn't expect anything less than Brazil from Brazil. 5 a.m. Wow, now we're just on a huge, steep incline. Oof. But it's beautiful. I mean, just look at this rock formation in front of us. Wild, because now we're back into the forest and there's no light. I'm back on the phone light to see everything. With all the trees crowding us, there's just absolutely no light in here, blocking out all the sunrise. You can do it, Pauli.
Oh, mira, allá.
We made it out on the other side and we can actually see the fiery star literally rising, which is known as the sun, from the horizon of the ocean. Incredible. And then we have all the peaks of the islands and the beaches below us also. So 100% worth waking up at 4 a.m. to get here. What do you think, Pally? Was it worth it?
It is. It was. Trust me, I was so tired. I'm so tired, but it's stunning. It's awesome.
Right there. It's really hard to see, but behind the clouds is a big orange ball.
Wow, 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 me encanta, me quedo ciega.
This is incredible.
I love it. I wish I could be able to do trekking every day. I just don't like it as much to do it every day.
But the views are worth it.
It is. That's the best part.
To give some context, what we're doing today, right there is Praia Brava. Before we go down there, I'm just gonna really soak in these views, enjoy all the work I just put in to get here. Already sweat up a storm, it's not even 5:30 a.m. So yeah, I really hope you folks are enjoying this sunrise too, and hope to see many more. Made it back to the car, and we actually made a pit stop by the house. Had to pick up Pally's mom. We packed up all the stuff for the beach. Now we're headed to Praia Brava, which is the beach that we saw from the top of the mountain today during the sunrise. It is about like a 5-minute drive, which isn't long at all from the Airbnb, but we're going there now. We're parking, and literally look at that. In the parking lot, there's a horse right behind me, so kind of bizarre. Wow, it's really pretty.
I love this one.
You love this one?
My favorite.
Are we sitting here?
Sí.
Jorge always coming through, putting up the umbrella. The backdrop behind me, they have just these green mountains, and it's not surprising because I mean we could see the beach from a mountain whenever we hiked up it this morning, but just really beautiful. And then the waves and the blue water in front of us, so just an overall great beach to be at. Way off in the distance back there, that was the mountain that we were on this morning. Are you gonna go get in the water?
Of course, let's go. Está fría el agua, Shelton.
¿Hace frío al agua?
Está más fría que el Lagoinha.
Ah.
Pero el color es transparente.
We are so close. I mean, this is beachfront, chairs, umbrella, Pauli, food, drinks. This is great. Oh, this is nice.
It's the most beautiful one. Oh.
You think it's colder?
Yeah, but it's not so cold. It's more cold than the other ones.
But look how clear it is.
Yeah.
The water here is like really clear. Now along this beach, there's something I'm immediately noticing more than all the other beaches, and that is the waves that are here. Now on the sign I did see, it shows, I guess this is a good place for boogie boarding and surfing. I don't see any surfers. I don't see waves enough to actually surf either, so it might have just been boogie boarding, but there's definitely a lot of waves in the water, which I think it will make for a lot more fun just playing around in there and swimming and whatnot.
There's a fish right there.
Where?
See? Right.
I don't see it.
See, like in the water. Hey, it's right here. There's two.
Walking out here is a little tough because the waves are crashing into me, and also there's a lot of dips in the sand. So I'm like falling almost every 2 steps, but I'm only about half deep in water. So it does make for more of a difficult time to get out further into the water. Pauli, what do we have?
We have a picada del mar or something like that in Portuguese. We have fish, rabas. Here we have French fries, camarón, I don't know the name in English, and my favorite, fried chicken.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Is it good? I try not to eat so much fried food, but fried fish, fried shrimp, fried octopus, it's just so good, especially here on the beach with the Corona. It's hard to beat that. In total, it was like 275 reals, so I believe it comes out to like $50 US. Definitely more expensive than most of the places we've been to, but it's still worth it. Feeds the whole family, so for 4 people, $50. it's really not so bad, and awesome views. That food was absolutely delicious. Did you like it?
It was so good. I love frango, like chicken.
Frango.
Now I say frango.
Yeah, chicken is frango, and now no, we always make a recurring joke of just saying frango all the time. But there's parts of this beach we still haven't explored, even though way behind us is where we did all the hiking this morning. There's another mountain on the other side of the beach, and we're just wanting to go over there and check it out and all the rocks that it has up along its coastline. So I'm gonna see how that is and see if it compares to this morning. Here we are.
I don't want to do another trekking.
So we can actually just climb up on these rocks right here to get a better view of the beach. ¿Qué chulo?
Yeah. Ay, está muy caliente.
Oh wow. We could continue walking right over there, and there's absolutely nobody. But we're not, because we just ate a ton of food. We already did the morning hike, and quite frankly, we're pretty tired. So this is going to be the end of this nomadic vlog, and if you've had a good time traveling with us, then consider hitting that subscribe button below, and we'll see you all on the next journey.